You've probably heard that if you sneeze with your eyes open, they'll pop out of your head. While that's just a myth, the reality is actually much more painful. A sneeze travels at over 100 miles per hour, creating an immense buildup of pressure inside your sinus cavities. Without your eyelids closed to support your eyeballs, this internal blast can cause the tiny blood vessels in your eyes to literally snap. Your body reflexively shuts your eyes to act as a physical brace, protecting your vision from the internal pressure. So don't fight the reflex. Follow AnatomyX for more body secrets.